Rmes Suite POS is a simulation tool for capital projects that can carry out systemic simulations by adding behavior curves for each piece of equipment or component. Ideal stockpile sizes can be determined through sensitivity analyses in order to optimize capital projects. Different scenarios can be evaluated by modifying the structure of the processes. For load-sharing processes, it is possible to sensitize the load level of every equipment or process to find the best configuration. Different maintenance plans can be loaded so that the best configuration or optimal capacity of the equipment is evaluated to improve the OEE of the process and therefore the throughput and capex. Rmes Suite's POS allows multiple configurations to represent the different operational realities of a process. Finally, the results of each scenario can be taken to cash flow and be reflected in financial KPIs of the respective capital projects or of the investment in current operation.